Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys a super cute stationery item that I found actually at 7-Eleven the other day. Loft is usually something that you can find at places like Tokyo-han's and stuff like that. Loft stores, obviously. They're a stationery goods company that has lots of really cute and fun stuff that people really like. And this is one series that they had that is really cute because it features these marker styles that sort of look like crayons, and they stack on top of each other, which I think is such a good idea. You know, a lot of times grown-up stuff gets so boring, can't have any fun with things anymore. You know, it's all just boring, official-looking pencils and stuff. I like these kind of things that remind you of being a kid. It's kind of cool. So I'll show you guys here. They're just really nice, bright colored markers. There's different lots of different colors available. So the nice thing is that these have, like I mentioned, a cute way to stack. And you have to take the cap off of one to do this, but you can then put it in here and make these stack to create cool little awesome pens. I mean, how cool is that? Who would want that? So of course, then this is out of the picture. You could probably keep it down here. Oh no, I guess it doesn't stay there, does it? I thought maybe it would. Nope. Nope. But like I mentioned, these look like crayons, and that's cute, which is always nice. And these just make a nice little way to have like highlighter pen or something in your bag. And they're just real simple. I'll get the focus to kind of show you guys a little better what they look like here. But they're just a really simple design with, you know, no logo or mark or anything on them except for the very pale loft there. And you can see how cute they are. I mean, they just make a really nice, fun design and a nice alternative to your normal typical markers. Now, it's just a marker, so sooner or later the ink's going to wear out on them, of course, but still, I think they're pretty cute. So if you guys are in town, and whether you are at a convenience store or not, anytime you can get a chance to go to a store like Tokyo-han's, it's always so fun because the quality and availability of the selection of items of stationery goods that they have there is just mind-boggling. So I would highly recommend it if you guys are visiting to go to some major city department store. They'll usually have some kind of a place similar to like a Tokyo-han's or Loft specifically stores that have things there for you guys to kind of drool over and yeah, have fun trying to pick which ones you want. These actually were not so as expensive. I thought they'd be more, and just $1 a piece. And actually, for some reason, the blue one was half price. So it was on sale. That's kind of cool. So yeah, I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.